My name's Martin Hall. I'm a research entomologist at the Natural History Museum in London, based in the Parasites and Vectors division of our Department of Life Sciences. So what we're hoping to do in this Gnatwork project is to visualize the host-parasite interface in our vectors. This work stems from our previous work over the last few years using micro-CT scanning to visualize morphology of insects. So we thought this technique would be really worthwhile testing on the sandflies and blackflies that are familiar to members of the Gnatwork community. Firstly, with the sandflies, the hypothesis we're looking at is that the parasites will secrete a gel that causes changes in the sandfly gut. Basically, it causes an increase in the volume. And through the scans we'll be able to actually measure the volume of the sandflies and compare it between non-infected and infected sandflies at different stages of infection. The other group of flies that we'll be looking at are black flies and Onchocerca. We have a colony of our sandflies in London. We're having to go to Ghana to get the black flies. And what we'll be looking at is comparing the infection levels in black flies that are found in the savannah and those that are found in forest regions to compare the numbers of L3 larvae inside them. And this should be actually much more easy for the micro-CT system to resolve because these L3 larvae are so huge. An important part of the Gnatwork project that we're working on is the training of early career researchers, and we have two attached to this project. Both of them are from countries that are receiving ODA. Firstly, in Bangladesh, we have Mr. Debashish Ghosh, and he will be joining us in July, working here in the UK for about 3 months. And additionally, we have a collaboration with the CSIR in Ghana, and Mr. Vray there will be working closely with Bob Cheek during all of the blackfly collections. We're very lucky to have working with us on this project Dr. Daniel Martin Vega from the University of Alcalá in Spain, and he'll be leading our image manipulation and interpretation, and he's extremely gifted in that, and he's very excited by the chance to work on a different type of insect. Another important aspect is the images themselves. As well as being beautiful in their own right, they have tremendous impact in communication of disease. So public engagement, outreach and communication for public health agencies. So we're going to be using them with public health agencies to raise awareness of the disease situation.